Welcome to our review of the 2025 Honda Motorhome, a model designed to merge comfort with innovation. We begin at the front door, opening to reveal a sleek, modern entry. Inside, the dashboard impresses with a large digital display, intuitive infotainment, and leather seating that feels more premium SUV than RV. The panoramic windshield provides excellent visibility, perfect for long drives. Moving to the living area, you'll find a fold-out dining table, sofa seating, and wide windows that flood the space with light. Subtle LED lighting creates a cozy mood in the evenings. The kitchen integrates stainless steel fixtures, a hidden fridge, and cleverly designed storage compartments that maximize every inch. The bedroom offers a queen-size bed with overhead cabinets and a panoramic side window. While the bathroom includes a compact shower, sink, and mirror lighting that feels unexpectedly upscale. Throughout, smart storage spaces under floors and inside cabinets make organization effortless. Entertainment is handled by a mounted TV and sound system, while cinematic drone views capture the motorhome on highways, by lakes, and even through city streets. We see a young couple relaxing on the sofa, stargazing through the panoramic roof, refueling at a gas station, and finally arriving home to unload gear. The journey ends with an ultra-wide-angle interior shot, showcasing dashboard, living space, kitchen, and bedroom in one breathtaking frame. The verdict: the 2025 Honda Motorhome is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle, delivering comfort, practicality, and cinematic travel moments in every mile.